In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Confluence page to Jira. By the end, you'll have a live, always up-to-date view of Jira work right inside your Confluence page, so your team can see status and details without switching tools. Let's keep it simple and clear. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page you want to connect with Jira. Pick the page where you and your team already collect notes, requirements, or status updates, because that's where this integration will be most useful. Before editing, make sure your Confluence and Jira sites are linked under the same Atlassian account. In practice, that means you're signed into the same organization and you have access to both products. If you don't see Jira results later, it usually means you're not signed in to the right account or the products aren't connected for your workspace. In that case, contact your admin to confirm the sites are linked. Now click Edit on the Confluence page to open the editor. Place your cursor where you want the Jira information to appear. You can add it in line with your content or position it in its own section so it's easy to find. Type /Jira or simply paste a Jira issue link directly into the page. Using the / command opens the Jira macro, which lets you search and choose content. Pasting a link works too. Confluence will recognize it and generate a preview. You can paste a single issue link, a saved filter link, or a project link, depending on what you plan to show. When the picker opens, select the Jira issue, filter, or project you want to display. Choosing a single issue gives you a focused card with key details like summary, status, and assignee. Choosing a filter or project displays a dynamic list of issues that updates automatically as work changes in Jira. If you see options to configure the view, take a moment to adjust columns, sorting, or the number of results so the table highlights what your team cares about most. This doesn't copy data. It's a live window into Jira. Publish the page to make your changes visible to everyone with access. Publishing is important because drafts won't show live previews to your teammates. Finally, click the Jira link or the issue preview on the published page to confirm the connection works. It should open the corresponding issue or list in Jira. If it doesn't, double check that you're signed in to the correct account and that you have permission to view those issues. That's it. You've connected your Confluence page to Jira, creating a single source of truth your team can rely on.